guys, after meeting Tyler, we are gonna be now pranking other people, and we are gonna be doing Kingdom Teachers. Let's go into it.
For me. Three, two, one, go. Guys, this is what happens when you this is what happens when you run the wrong direction. Yeah, guys. Oh my gosh, I ran the wrong direction. I'm so dumb, bro. Yeah, guys. But we'll find him. No matter what. Finally, guys, we found him.
Guys,
Uzi, how did it feel to be doing all of that?
guys, it was very scary. It wasn't hard, but it was very fast. We had to do it quick so we don't get caught. And very extreme. You guys better like.
Okay, Tyler, how did it feel to be knocking on all of those doors?
It was very scary. But don't try this around because you could get in very big trouble. So, yeah, guys, don't try this around. Guys, better be fast so that you can try it alone, but definitely try not to be caught. If you caught, then, yeah. If you caught, then you caught.
So, Chase, how does it feel knocking on someone's door?
Well, I only did it one time, but keeping up with you guys as the cameraman, scary, bro. It's tiring, but still like it.
Yeah. You guys better like and subscribe because we risked being in big trouble just for you guys.
Better like and subscribe.
Yeah.
Let's go.
And we're almost at 10 subscribers.
Yeah.
Not a lot, but it's a lot for beginners
Yeah.
like us.
Yeah. Like and